one's nice, huh? Hey Sightseers, today we're checking out the WBAY RV and Camping Expo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I know all of you are excited to check out all the cool things that they've got here, so come on, in 3, 2, 1. This one's pet friendly. It's where the pet bowls go and the leashes. This pull behind trailer is certainly pet friendly. Look at that huge sleeping area for the dogs. Ah yes, what do you think of our new camper? Artie says it's too much money. Aw, shucks, guess we're gonna have to keep looking. If Marty thought the last one was too much money, I wonder what he's gonna say when he sees the price tag on this 2019 Tiffin Phaeton. Decked out in an incredible amount of luxurious features, the Phaeton boasts 7-foot ceilings and 4 slide-outs. The Phaeton is definitely for people who want to travel in style and comfort. If you're in the market for one of these, plan on spending at least $350,000 for a brand new model. Of course, that price is all dependent upon how big of an RV you want and the different amenities you add to the package. What would a camping and RV show be like without having individual campgrounds there representing themselves?
I don't want to be in the video.
Okay. So, we're playing Fright Factor here.
Which is one of the many activities offered at Lake Arrowhead Campground.
And I gotta eat whatever it lands on.
Yeah. Which could be a June bug.
Could be.
Did she really say a June bug?
Let's hope not.
Yeah, let's hope not.
If it's landed, you can stop it to see what it is.
Number 2?
Okay.
Is that a number 2?
Yep, the shot glasses have numbers on them.
Okay.
You have to find one that has a 2 on it.
Shot glasses? Is liquor involved?
It says 2, 10, and 13.
Okay, what's in there?
Some green stuff.
Wasabi popping candy.
Whew, dodged that bullet. Or should I say June bug?
It's okay.
So here we go. I'm
The last
trying
guy said it wasn't hot.
wasabi popping candy.
I'm guessing some of you were wishing that roulette ball had landed on the June bug.
It's actually pretty good.
Is it hot?
It tastes really good.
Said many times by Anthony Bourdain.
It's been a while since I've done Pop Rock.
As you can tell, I had a lot of fun playing along and enjoyed meeting the folks from Lake Arrowhead Campground.
Me too.
If you get to Wisconsin, be sure to check them
Still
out.
going in my mouth.
Moving right along. This particular model is for those who enjoy being off-road all day long. This is built by Shutt Industries, and it's known as the X-Venture XV-3 Deluxe Plus model. As you can see, it is built for rugged terrain and provides minimal creature comforts to those who enjoy being out in the rough. If you're into the sport of extreme camping, this model might be just for you. Or maybe you prefer something a little bit more portable, a little more daring, something you can set up anywhere, even across the stream.
Little does he know how much fun I have jumping on trampolines. Now that I got my nap in, let's get back to looking at RVs.
This one's tiny.
Just like a tiny house, this model offers a minimalistic approach to camping and is perfect if you don't mind using a bucket to do your business in.
Check out this Airstream. Let's go on inside.
In case you didn't know this, a man by the name of Wally Byam opened the first Airstream factory in California in the 1930s.
Everything's all in one.
Airstreams are best known for its iconic silver bullet shape. This particular model is the no-frills version, where your living quarters converts into your sleeping quarters, which isn't bad if you don't mind sleeping on a 3-inch pad. One thing you'll notice as you walk through the RVs is the additional features you wouldn't necessarily find in your own home. While these features are really cool and make the RVs super fancy, some of them are a bit questionable in terms of usefulness.
You even have fireplaces in these things. This is how the rich and famous do it.
Sure, who doesn't want to roll around in style? However, as a buyer, it's important to be aware of certain design features that can impact one's ability to successfully RV.
In the side of this camper, you've got another fridge and an ice maker. And my thought is this really isn't conducive for somebody that wants to do a lot of boondocking, because you're going to need a lot of solar power to be running all this extra stuff.
Ah yes, boondocking. Boondocking is a huge area that RV manufacturers are still missing the boat on. Most people think that RVing involves staying in campgrounds where you're packed in like sardines. Kind of like these two trailers here. Hold that thought on boondocking. We'll come back to it momentarily.
Let's drive this out of here. We're cooking crystal meth all up in this thing.
Not really. I just couldn't resist. Every time I see a Class C, I instantly think about Jesse and Walt in Breaking Bad. Although I think this one is a little too nice to be driving across the New Mexico desert.
There's actually a lot of room in this Class C.
It looks like we might even have a stowaway.
Oh, look at the little guy in the shower.
What do you think the Beagle would do if she saw that? Okay, we've seen a lot of cool and fancy RV designs here at this show, but this one here takes the cake. For being the worst design ever.
Really? Now, who really wants to be sitting on the can and be able to look out the door?
I know I don't. But with this design, you can.
You can be literally sitting on the john and looking out the door.
This gives a whole new meaning to expanding your living area to include outdoor spaces.
I wonder what they were thinking when they designed that model.
Can we say crappy design? Remember when I said to hold on to that thought about boondocking? All these RVs has got me thinking about when we were out boondocking last winter. Just like Mad Dog and Meryl, you can be cooking up your hot dogs in your hamper. And speaking of Mad Dog and Meryl...
Hey guys, this is Mad Dog and Meryl.
I'll be Mad Dog.
Hey, I'll be Meryl.
And this is Sally.
Oh, hey, happy grilling, everybody.
Sally taught us how to grill.
Yeah.
Thank
The
you.
things I've learned is just phenomenal.
It really is. Scrambled eggs, deviled
Oh,
eggs,
my gosh.
poached eggs,
Oh,
Oh, you guys are hilarious.
hard-boiled eggs,
hard-boiled eggs.
French eggs, Scotch eggs,
Ooh, Scotch eggs. I love Scotch eggs.
egg salad. Happy grilling.
It's always good times when you meet Mad Dog and Meryl at the RV show. Be sure to check out their YouTube channel under Mad Dog and Meryl.
Oh, there's no more Milky Ways.